You've done everything right. You noticed your Android phone acting up, identified the xHelper Trojan, and even performed a complete factory reset. But within an hour, the malware pops right back onto your device. This happens because xHelper relies on a hidden reinfection loop. Instead of just installing an app, it drops a hidden file into your device's storage architecture. When you wipe your active apps, that hidden file survives and immediately pulls the malware back in. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to break that hidden loop, permanently remove xHelper, and restore full functionality to your phone, all in under 5 minutes. To complete this process, you need your infected Android phone, an active internet connection, and your device's settings menu. Because a standard factory reset leaves the hidden file untouched, standard removal tactics will always fail. We have to use a specific isolation and purge method to permanently reclaim your device. Step 1 is gathering our tools. Download a reputable anti-malware application and a searchable file manager from the App Store. Once they are downloaded, do not open them yet. We must isolate the phone first. If we delete the malware now, the remote trigger will replace it before we locate the hidden file. This diagram shows how the trigger operates. A hidden directory uses the Google Play Store as a proxy to download a malicious payload. To sever that connection, we temporarily disable the Play Store, preventing the hidden directory from pulling the payload. Open your device settings, navigate to your Apps menu, find the Google Play Store, tap it, and hit Disable. Your phone might give you a system warning pop-up saying this could cause issues with other apps. Proceed past the warning and confirm you want to disable the store. With the Play Store disabled, the resurrection cycle is officially paused. The active malware is now cut off and vulnerable to permanent deletion. Step 2 is the surface purge. Open the anti-malware application you downloaded earlier and initiate a comprehensive system scan. As the scan completes, look for specific file names in the results dashboard. You will likely see names like xHelper, Fireway, or duplicate settings applications. Select all of these identified threats and follow the application's prompts to quarantine and successfully remove them from your device. It is critical that the Google Play Store was disabled before you ran the scan. If you skipped that isolation step, the malware is already actively reinstalling itself, and the surface infection will return within the hour. Your active surface-level infection is now neutralized, but the invisible mechanism that spawned it still lurks deep in your device's storage architecture. Step 3 is finding and destroying that root cause. Open the File Manager application you installed earlier to begin your deep storage search. This image highlights our specific target. The hidden dropper directory uses a highly specific naming convention. Type com.mufc. into the search bar, exactly as shown. Your search may bring up several files. To quickly isolate the malicious directory, use your file manager's view settings to sort the results chronologically by date. Find the folder starting with com.mufc and note its exact creation date. Select that specific directory, along with any other files created on that exact same date, and permanently delete them from your device storage. As you execute this deletion, verify your selection carefully. Do not accidentally delete legitimate core system files, like your main downloads folder. Once the malicious directory is destroyed, return to your main device settings, navigate back to your Apps menu, and hit the Enable button to turn the Google Play Store back on. By destroying the hidden dropper file while the proxy was disabled, you have permanently broken the reinfection cycle. Your device's integrity is restored. Your phone is now fully operational and completely free of the xHelper Trojan. Moving forward, we need to address a secondary vulnerability vector: zombie apps. These are forgotten, dormant applications on your phone that provide a prime entry point for future infections, like cryptojacking malware. This diagram illustrates how the exploit works. When old accounts and dormant applications sit untouched on your phone, they miss out on critical updates. Hackers actively target these forgotten services because their outdated security protocols provide an unmonitored backdoor straight into your device. To minimize this risk, perform an immediate audit of your device. Scroll through your app drawer, delete applications you no longer use, and close accounts tied to them. Eradicating a persistent threat like xHelper proves that you can regain control of your hardware. Active, ongoing digital hygiene is your ultimate defense, protecting you from both tenacious active Trojans and opportunistic dormant malware.